Hi children, Namaste. How are you all? Are you fine? I hope you are all fine and safe. Children, in my previous class, I gave you a homework. Which homework? I told you to sing that poem, the Little Rabbit poem, and make its video and send it to my WhatsApp number. This was the homework I gave to you. Okay, you can take help of your parents. Okay, you can take the help of your parents and send. I told, and really, some of your friends they have sent their videos. In those videos, I watched those all the videos. They sang that poem very well, really. And some of you are till not yet sent your video to me. Please make a video of your singing and send to me. And while singing that poem, please sing with actions. Simply singing is not okay. It's not fair. Okay. So you can sing with actions. Okay. With actions, we have to sing that poem and make its video and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Parents can help your children to send their video. Okay. So then, and also I started that second lesson, Hoppity Hop, Splash Splash, one of the beautiful story between duck and a rabbit. Okay, Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit. And before that, before reading that lesson, one activity was there, an activity they given. About that activity also I explained to you. I explained already. So whether you are finished that activity or not, let us go to that. You can see. Yes, this is the activity they given. I hope you are all finished this activity. If you are not finished, so please watch that previous video and complete this activity in your textbook. Okay, then come to this. Now I am going to explain this story to you all. It is one of the beautiful story. Look at this picture. Look at this page. How it is. It is one of there are two animals here. Okay, one is this is considered as animal, and we are calling it bird, and all are living things only. Here is a which animal it is? Can you get? Can you identify? Yes, it is rabbit. A rabbit here. So it is in the water. Look at it properly, and it is a bird. It is a duck. Duck it is. Okay. So here this story is in between this rabbit and a duck. Okay. So what is the story here in between those two living things? Okay. In between rabbit and duck. So that is they given here. So here it is a pond. This blue color what it is there. This is a pond. Is there water in that pond? And duck is floating on that water of the pond. Then rabbit is outside of the pond and it is sitting there and it is talking to duck. It is talking to duck. What it is talking? They given in this story. So let us go to this lesson part now. Here, please look at this. These two pages, two lines you can see. These two lines. Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit are friends. Who are friends? There are two beings here. Two beings here. One being is Dippy Duck and one more being is Rosie Rabbit. So who are they? They are friends. They are friends. They are friends. Okay, then they play near the pond. They play near the pond. Actually, duck is already floating on the water here. And rabbit is outside the pond. It is sitting on the lawn, grass. There is grass. On that grass it sat and it is talking to duck. What it is talking? And first duck is asking to rabbit. What it is asking they given here. Look at it here. Okay. I can swim. Duck is saying that I can swim. I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? Who is Rosie? Rabbit's name is Rosie and duck's name is Dippy Duck. It is Dippy Duck. It is Rosie Rabbit. Okay. Now duck is telling that I can swim. Can you swim, Rosie? Duck is asking to rabbit. Then rabbit replied, no, I cannot. No, I cannot. I can't swim. Oh, Dippy Duck, I cannot swim. I can. What I can do? I can hop. I can hop. Hop means what? H-O-P, hop. Some of you are pronouncing this one as a whoop. H-O-P, whoop. Whoop, not that is. That is H-O-P, hop. Can you pronounce it 2 times? Hop. Hop. H-O-P, hop. H-O-P, hop. Like this we have to continue. Then only you will be able to pronounce that word correctly. I can hop. So this is the way. See, keep it in your mind that rabbit is telling that I cannot swim, just I can hop. Hop means what? Jump. Rabbit is saying that, it says, I can jump, I cannot swim. I cannot swim, but I can jump. Like that it said. Then what happened now? They were talking like this. Then what happened? Here you can see, Dippy likes to swim. Dippy likes to swim. Dippy means duck. Dippy duck, it likes to swim always in the water. Then Rosie likes to hop. Rosie likes to hop. Hop means what? Jump. Okay, it can jump. So that is why it likes to jump always. Rabbit. Then they have fun. Fun means they were playing each other. They were playing there. So duck was swimming and playing, and rabbit was jumping and playing. So they have fun, both Dippy Duck and Rosie Rabbit. Then what happened? Then rabbit is asking question to the duck. What it asked? Rabbit is asking, Rosie Rabbit is asking to Dippy Duck, can you hop? I can hop, no. Rabbit is saying, I can jump, no. Like that, can you jump? It questioned that Dippy Duck. Then Dippy Duck replied, no, I cannot hop. No, I cannot hop. Hop means jump. I cannot jump. I can swim. So you know that it is common thing that duck can swim, rabbit can hop. But duck cannot hop, rabbit cannot swim. Is it possible? Is it possible? No. So this is the thing they are asking. So Dippy Duck replied, I cannot hop, I can swim. Then what happened next? You can look at this. Duck is telling something to that rabbit. I want to hop like you. Oh, my dear friend Rosie Rabbit, I wanted to hop. I wanted to jump like you. How you were jumping? Like that I wanted to jump. Then rabbit is saying that, it is also telling, I wanted to swim like you. I wanted to swim like you, Dippy. Oh, Dippy Duck, you are swimming, no? So I don't know swimming. Can you teach me how to swim? So can I swim like you? Like that it is asking to his friend Dippy Duck. So duck wanted to hop and rabbit wanted to swim. Okay. So now what happens next? What happens next? Is it possible? Next what happened? You only see. Here rabbit jumped into the water. Here you look at it. It is in the water, and the duck, it came out of the water. Okay, it jumped out of the water. It hopped out of the water. Now rabbit is trying to swim and duck is trying to jump. But is it possible? No. So what happened now? That Rosie Rabbit is asking for help. Help, help, I cannot swim. I am drowning in the water, it is saying. It means drowning means sinking in the water. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮುಳುಗೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗಿ. ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಶೌಟ್, ರೋಸಿ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ದೆನ್ Dippy Duck also it started to shout, help, I cannot hop, I cannot jump, please help me, somebody, please help me. It started to shout. So then what happened next? Now Rosie Rabbit, it cannot swim, and Dippy Duck, it cannot jump or hop. What happened next? Now mama duck and mama rabbit help them. Mama means mother, Dippy's mother, and here it is Dippy's mother, it is Dippy. It is Rosie rabbit's mother, it is Rosie rabbit. Okay, now their mother, Dippy duck and Rosie rabbits, their mothers came out to help their children. Here is Rosie rabbit's mother, here is Dippy duck's mother. They helped them to come out of their problem. Okay, how they helped them? See here, Dippy duck's mother, she is telling something to her child, her son. What it is saying? What that Dippy duck's mother said? See here, Dippy, come and swim with me. You are not a rabbit. You cannot hop. So she saved first that Dippy duck and she told that, oh Dippy, you are a duck. You can only swim. You cannot jump. You can only swim. You cannot hop. You cannot jump. So like rabbit. Rabbits only they can jump. But ducks cannot jump. So please come with me, and you are not a rabbit. You cannot hop. Like that she told to her son. Then Rosie rabbit's mother, what she said? Here is Rosie rabbit's mother. She told something to her son. What she told? Rosie, you cannot swim. You are not a duck. You are a rabbit. You are not a duck. So you cannot swim, my dear son. Only you can hop. Only you can hop. Hop means jump. Only you can jump. You cannot swim. So please come with me and you can learn jumping or hopping. How can you hop? That you can learn, not swimming. Swimming only ducks can do. Okay, ducks they can swim, and you, rabbit, you can hop. So like that she said. So this is the story, one of the beautiful story. Okay, for example, fish. Fish where it will be living? It will be living in the water. And a dog, where it will be living? It will be living on the ground. Can the dog live in the water and fish, can it live on the ground? No. Dog only it can live on the ground. Fish it will be living in the water only. Like that it is also only duck can swim and rabbit can hop. So it is the thing. So duck it will be swimming in the water and it will be making that splash. It means it is pushing the water and moving forward. It is swimming, we are calling it. It is splash. Hoppity hop. Hop means jump. Rabbits can jump. They can always hop, and ducks can always they make splash of that water. Water splashing they can do. So this is the beautiful story. Hoppity hop, splash. Okay, I hope you understood this story now. So in my next class I am going to discuss about questions and answers of this story. Okay, so listen this story once again and understand it. Okay, I will see you in my next class. Okay, take care all of you. Have a nice day, children.